Are you thinking about immigrating to Canada but not sure which province to choose? Well, I have started a series where I explain PNP pathways for each province. Today we are heading east to the province of New Brunswick. New Brunswick is famous for its coastal beauty, affordable lifestyle, and growing job market. This province also has one of the most accessible provincial nominee programs in Canada. In this video, I'll break down different streams of the New Brunswick PNP, how you can apply, and how you can maximize your chances of getting nominated. Stick with me till the end because I'll share some tips that could give your application an edge. What is NBPNP? It is a New Brunswick Provincial Nominee Program which allows the province to pick candidates who have the right skills, education, and work experience to contribute to the local economy. If you are nominated by New Brunswick in an express entry linked stream, you get 600-point boost in your profile, almost securing permanent residence. But remember, every stream has its own rules and eligibility requirements. Let's explore them one by one. New Brunswick uses many different pathways to select various applicants and meet their labor market needs. There are two main streams and some other streams which are limited to certain applicants with specific skill sets. The two main streams are: first, express entry stream that is aligned with the federal system. There are two pathways under this: employment in New Brunswick and New Brunswick interest. Second, the skilled worker stream for those who are already working in New Brunswick or those who are graduated from a PGWP eligible institution in New Brunswick. Let's dive deeper into these main streams. Express entry stream. The express entry stream is the most popular one because it connects directly to Canada's federal system. It is designed for highly skilled individuals who intend to reside in New Brunswick. There are two pathways under this stream. Employment in New Brunswick pathway. To be eligible under this, you must already be working full-time in New Brunswick for at least 12 months. Your job has to be in tier categories 0, 1, 2, or 3. You must be living in New Brunswick for the past 12 months. New Brunswick interest pathway. To qualify under this pathway, you don't need a job in New Brunswick. Instead, the province must have sent you a letter of interest to express interest in your express entry profile. You need at least 1 year of skilled work experience in tier 0, 1, 2, or 3, whether inside or outside Canada in the past 10 years. Next is the skilled worker stream. This is one of the great pathways if you are already in New Brunswick. It have three pathways further. New Brunswick experience. You must have worked full-time in New Brunswick for 6 months with the same employer. New Brunswick graduates. If you studied at a PGWP eligible designated learning institution in New Brunswick and have a full-time job offer, then you can apply under this stream. Priority occupations. This pathway is currently paused in 2025, but it's for people in high demand jobs who are recruited directly by the province. But be mindful. Currently, certain jobs are excluded under the skilled worker stream, like restaurant supervisor, cooks, administrative assistants, retail salespersons, etc. Always check the updated knock list on the province website before applying. Currently, there are 18 knocks which are not being considered under these streams. Beyond the main streams, New Brunswick also has a few streams which are specialized options, as I mentioned earlier too. These streams are: first, strategic initiative stream, which is often aimed at French-speaking candidates to maintain the bilingual character of the province. Second, critical worker pilot, which is a 5-year pilot program for employers in labor shortage industries. A very limited number of employers participate in this. Third, private career college graduate pilot. It is a 3-year pilot program for graduates of approved New Brunswick private colleges. Fourth, business or entrepreneur stream. It is suitable for those who want to start or buy a business in the province. These programs may not always be open, so it's always best to check the Immigration New Brunswick website regularly. If you need help to decide which stream would be suitable for you as per your profile, then you can contact us and we'll make sure to identify the best pathway for you. How do you apply? For non-express entry linked streams, submit your expression of interest through INB portal. After this, if you get invitation, complete the application in portal within 20 days of getting the invitation and wait for nomination from the province. Once nominated, you can apply to IRCC for permanent residency before your nomination expires. For express entry linked streams, create an express entry profile with intent to reside in New Brunswick. If invited, then submit your expression of interest and application through INB portal. If you're nominated by province, you will receive a message to accept or decline the nomination in your IRCC account. If accepted, you will receive extra 600 points for nomination in your express entry profile. Most probably, you will get invited for PR in the upcoming round of invitations. Please note, EOI submitted to New Brunswick immigration remain valid for 365 days. That's 1 year. If you do not receive an invitation within 1 year, then EOI expires and you have to create a new expression of interest. Before you apply, here are some tips which might be helpful for you. Pick the stream that truly fits your profile and work experience. Prepare all the documents in advance, especially the documents that take longer time like your educational credential assessment and language test results. Keep your legal status valid in Canada and stay ahead. Always double check the latest updates because the rules and demands of the province can change quickly. If you want a professional guidance to submit your application or want to get your application reviewed, you can contact us and we would be happy to help you through this journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more updates on immigration related topics.